Hey guys, there were speculations that Google will launch a Pixel Mini alongside the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, which are going to be launched tomorrow. The tech giant had released a teaser on its Instagram page a couple of days back talking about the Pixel Mini. Here's what Google said in the post. Google said, "We've heard rumors of a mini Pixel, which begs the question, how many is too many? We have a feeling the next one will be a bit bigger than this. Tune in on October 9th to see for yourself." This statement doesn't really confirm its existence but fuels earlier speculations about its existence. A device suspected to be the Pixel Mini has been spotted on GFXBench. According to popular tipster Ronald Khan, someone has been testing a Google phone with the codename Bonito on GFXBench. The phone is reportedly powered by the Snapdragon 710 mobile platform. This could be the Pixel Mini, as Bonito is the name of a small fish that is relative of the tuna. There is no other details about the device, so we will have to wait until the Made by Google event to find out if the device is actually in the works. The event will start rolling at 11 AM Eastern Time tomorrow. You can watch the live stream of the event via the Made by Google Instagram page and YouTube channel. So yeah, let me know what you think about the mini Pixel, and please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming Pixel 3 leaks. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.